Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about the headphone jack problem in your device Vivo Y21G. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the headphone jack, or you can say the earphone jack of the device, you can solve it by the method as I will show you in this video. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the headphone jack or the earphone jack problem in your device.